In a world where anime news and reviews are abundant, one team brings you the best in sports, movies, slice-of-life comedy, and weekly highlights. Sports are the pinnacle of anime hype, and they will be brought straight to you by Coda the Game Master. Movies are the top of anime's quality and art portions, and they will be diligently brought to you by Rikashu the Xenophile. Flooded by slice of life, the anime genre needs a savior to wade through all the junk and to find the treasure. Kona is their man. All of these factors will be brought together by one thing: the weekly highlights. So yeah, that's about it. I decided to do this in a movie voice. I didn't have anything else to do. I'll give you guys some... oh well. I hope you guys enjoy.